Hey guys, I'm Shawn, Autotopia LA, and I'm out here in North Carolina. We're out here shooting with my friend Vinny and getting to experience a lot of different vehicles. But I wanted to do this comparison. So we shot his 67 Camaro earlier today. This is a full subframe car, 4-link rear, highly upgraded, $35,000 in suspension components, somewhere in that neighborhood. This other Camaro he owns, this 71, is a Hotchkis car. It's all Hotchkis suspension components, but it's still all stock framework, stock subframe underneath the car. And I was curious at the end of the day here, what's it like to drive? How much of a difference is there? And I thought it would be dramatic because you're talking about, give or take, about $6,000 in suspension components on this car versus $30,000, $35,000, $40,000 in upgrades on that car, just suspension alone on it. I gotta tell you, I'm knocked out right now. We even called John Hotchkis to just tell him how great what he creates really is. So I would have to say, for the guy or girl that's on a budget that wants to do a radical suspension upgrade but doesn't have the ability to fork out $30,000, $40,000+, I just can't say enough good things about what Hotchkis creates. Just totally knocked out by their components.